had a leak in the trailer. This is how to fix it. They should have did this at the factory. I pulled off the wood, found out it ain't coming from the inside, it's coming from the outside. And you'll get these horrible, like on these screws here, when you pull them off, there'll be a little bitty piece of metal behind it, and that's what causes the rust. And how to fix that? It should have washers. Anybody that builds metal, any metal buildings, knows that these should have washers. These screws should have rubber washers on them, and they don't. So to remedy that, just take you some caulk, put a dab of caulk right there, screw in, and there you go. It's like magic.